Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin. Today I will be getting into cleaning and sanitizing tips for your soda dispenser. Let's start off with the tools that are needed. You're going to need a pack of K5 sanitizer, a pair of safety goggles, a spray bottle with cleaner, a bristle brush, a pair of sanitary gloves, and a clean rag. Start by removing and cleaning the nozzles and diffusers. Take the nozzle and quarter turn it to the left to unlock it. Then pull it straight down. For the diffuser, pull it straight out. Add them to soapy water and use a bristle brush to clean out the buildup and debris. Rinse both the nozzle and diffusers under running water to remove any soapy residue. Fill a container with the sanitizer solution, which would be warm water and the pack of K5 sanitizer, and add the nozzle and diffusers to the solution. Let those soak for 15 minutes. Remove from the solution and allow them to air dry on a clean rag. Next, we'll go into cleaning and sanitizing the dispenser. You'll want to take a clean rag, dampen it with soapy water. Starting from the top, wipe down the dispenser to remove any dirt or residue buildup. Pay special attention to the valve covers, ensuring thorough cleaning, especially beneath the valves where the syrup and buildup accumulate. Wipe down the splash plate and ensure it is clean all around, as well as the drain tray. If applicable, remove the drain gates for washing, either by hand or in a dishwasher. Pour hot water down the drain to clear any debris, then rinse it out. Move on to sanitizing by spraying surfaces with a sanitizing solution from a spray bottle, ensuring thorough coverage. Let it sit and air dry. Optionally, pour some sanitizer solution into the drain to sanitize it as well. And these are a few helpful tips that were provided through Donastar Enterprises. If you need any additional help, please contact Donastar Enterprises at support@donastar.com. I thank you all for watching. Take care and stay well.